Tammy with another video of Family with Purpose, and today is an exciting day. You want to know why? Look what came in the mail.
Yeah!
FabFitFun, the summer box. It looks fun and it's very summery. This is the summer edition of 2018 and I am super jazzed to open it. I have not seen what's inside of it because, as always, I want to open it in front of you all. So let's get to it. All right. I love FabFitFun because my understanding is it's mostly women, new business women that have brought their products in and are trying it out, and they're using the FabFitFun market to get their new products out. So when you subscribe to this, you are supporting women, entrepreneur women, and people that are making their own products. So it's super fun. All right, let's open it up. Oh, as always, attention to detail is great. FabFitFun, Taste of Summer. And they have their little book that explains everything about every little product that you get. Very nice. Super exciting. Yeah! I love their detail. Oh, so fun. Okay, the first item, it looks like it is a ring. Very pretty. What does it say? Yes, this is a ring that values at $55. It's 14 karat. Very pretty. Our second item is sunscreen, classic sunscreen, 50, and it's also for the face. It's for playing with sports. It's white tea as well, organic sunscreen. Oh, Pier 1. Oh, I love that store. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is a little jewelry plate that you can put in your bathroom by your sink or by your kitchen sink and taking off your rings and your jewelry when you're doing dishes or at nighttime. That's really pretty. And I love how it's a neutral color to go with a lot of people's decor in their house. It's like Christmas. This is fun. Oh, I've heard about this. This is all the rave. This, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so I won't. This is a Bluetooth face cleanser. My understanding is, let me just read to you what it says. Guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on the newest revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a total personalized profile, which is sent straight to you, newly launched. So my understanding is you put cleanser on this and then you rub it all over your face, and it's supposed to help your face get cleaner, and it also links to your phone. Super weird. I can't wait. Yes, I can't wait to see what this is like, unless my daughter takes it. She'll love that. All right, next is hairspray for humid days. I live in Indiana. Today my hair is not doing much because it's raining all day. This is going to be fantastic. This is supposed to help with humidity. I will be using this. Next is Pro Glow. Looks like makeup. Oh my. Whew. I love this. This is to give you a little bit of sun on your face, like whatever shades you want. Love it. Little sun-kissed face. And it's magnetic, so it closes. What is this? I like the colors. This looks like a tiny little wallet. Nice. Oh, very nice. You can put just your ID and a credit card in there and take it along with you if you want. Yeah! Very nice. Sleek for those summer nights when you don't want to take a lot of things with you. Nice. Or to the gym. It's kind of fancy for the gym though. And the last thing I think, yes, is this big thing. This is a makeup train case. Nice. So it's like a little to-go bag for your makeup. This would also be great for the beach if you want to take some beach stuff with you. So here's what it looks like. And there's two zippers. One of the zippers, I think this is the value of $58. Yeah, wow. One of the zippers is on top and it has a zipper pocket. Wow, and it has little sleeves. You can put your makeup brushes in there and something else to hold together. It also gives you $50 off at their website. And then you have your big zipper to put bigger things in, bottles and stuff like this. But like I said, you don't have to use this for makeup. You could use this for the beach or some other place that you need to take a bunch of stuff and you want it to look nice. But it's also a great carry-on. Again, FabFunFit did not disappoint. Well, looks like I have a straw as well. This straw saves marine life. Visit, oh, just an advertising. FabFunFit did not disappoint. Summer is in full swing, and if you click the link below and put 10 off, TENOFF, you will get $10 off your first box. It comes 4 times a year, one for every season. This one came in June. My fall one will come in September. The winter one will come in December, and the spring one comes in March. So this is a great gift to give to all those ladies that are hard to shop for. Whether that's your wife, whether that's a mom, a grandma, or a teenager, a daughter that's in college for their birthday. It's just the gift that keeps on giving, and they get to try new fun things and support all these women in their new adventures. So I hope that you'll check it out, and don't forget the promo code 10 off. And as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our page. That way you don't miss out on any of the fun and exciting things that are going on in our life. And comment below, what of these amazing new products would you use the most? For me, without going into detail and looking at them, I believe it's going to be this humid hairspray stuff. I'm looking forward to trying it out. Have a great summer, and we'll see you next time.